Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Feel the cool air entering your lungs, grounding you in the present moment. Hold the breath briefly, then exhale slowly, releasing tension and distractions. This is your time, your sacred moment to focus entirely on creating financial abundance. Begin by setting a clear and deliberate intention. I align myself with the energy of money. I welcome wealth into my life effortlessly and joyfully. Repeat this affirmation silently or out loud, feeling its truth resonate within you. Allow this intention to settle deeply in your heart. Let it serve as the foundation for the powerful experience you are about to create. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice any tension in your forehead, shoulders, or chest, and with each exhale, release it. Imagine a wave of soothing relaxation flowing from the top of your head, down your neck, and through your entire body. Let this wave wash away any resistance or negativity related to money. Visualize your fears or doubts about wealth dissolving like sand, swept away by a gentle tide. Replace them with trust. Trust that abundance is natural and that you are fully deserving of it. As you relax, remind yourself that letting go creates space for new and better experiences. In this moment, commit to releasing old stories about lack or struggle. Picture yourself leaving those beliefs behind as if walking away from a heavy bag you no longer need to carry. Now picture a vivid scene where you are holding a significant amount of money. Feel the weight of it in your hands, the crispness of bills, the metallic coolness of coins. Sense the reality of this wealth as though it already exists. Expand the scene further. Imagine this money transforming your life. See yourself using it to achieve your dreams, whether it's paying off debts, buying your dream home, or supporting your family with ease. Notice the smile on your face and the sense of relief in your body. Make this vision as detailed as possible. Where are you? What does your environment look like? What sounds fill the air? The more real this scene becomes in your mind, the closer you are to manifesting it in your life. Now shift your attention to the emotions tied to your abundance. Feel the joy, gratitude, and confidence that come with financial freedom. Let these feelings grow, expanding outward from your heart to fill your entire body. Step into the identity of someone who is already wealthy. Imagine yourself waking up each morning, knowing money flows to you effortlessly. How does this version of you walk, speak, and make decisions? What choices do you make? Align with this energy. Let it feel natural and inevitable. You're no longer wishing for wealth. You are claiming it fully and unapologetically. In this state of abundance, repeat the following affirmations. Money flows to me from expected and unexpected sources. I am worthy of wealth and success. Every financial decision I make attracts even more prosperity. Abundance is my birthright, and I embrace it fully. Say these affirmations with clarity and conviction. Imagine them rewiring your mind, dissolving any residual doubts or fears. With each repetition, feel yourself stepping further into the mindset of someone who naturally attracts and holds wealth. Take a moment to acknowledge the financial blessings you already have. Think about the resources, opportunities, or small windfalls that have come your way. Even if they seem modest, they are proof of the abundance flowing into your life. Feel genuine gratitude for these gifts. Gratitude is a magnet for more blessings. Say to yourself, I am deeply thankful for the wealth I have and the wealth on its way to me. Reflect on the stability and joy that money has already provided, and let this appreciation multiply your sense of abundance. Gratitude connects you to the flow of prosperity and opens the door to even greater wealth. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling your connection to the here and now. Take a deep breath, allowing this renewed sense of abundance to anchor within you. When you open your eyes, carry the energy of this meditation with you. Act and think as someone who already has the financial freedom you desire. Make choices that reflect abundance. Trust that the universe is aligning circumstances to bring your vision into reality. This is the start of your transformation. Your relationship with money has shifted. Wealth is now a natural and effortless part of your life. You've planted the seeds, now let them grow.